Is tomorrow all morning long. I'm grilling some Cinco de Mayo, some Mexican favorites that I've adjusted a little bit. This hour I'm doing shrimp and avocado tacos. Couldn't be easier, couldn't be more delicious. Start off with some shell-on shrimp that are going to go on the grill. I took the shells off before I grilled them, but if you leave the shells on, it gives it a little more flavor, and you can take them off afterwards. Cut up some red peppers, some green peppers, some onions. All of that's going to go on the grill. And these do not take very long at all. These are maybe 5 minutes total. Flip them around a little bit and you'll be done. And what you wind up with are shrimp that look like this on the grill, because I cut them up. And the peppers wind up like this. And I took some tortillas and put them on the grill a little bit earlier. And it's really just a simple assembly. This is a little bit of crunchy cabbage that's going to go on the bottom. These are your peppers, your fajita vegetables that are going to go inside. And we put on some of the shrimp, onto which I put chili powder, I put garlic powder, some cumin, salt and pepper, of course. That's going to go on the tacos as well. And then we top it off with some nice, fresh, creamy avocado that will also go on the top of it as well. And then some salsa that I made. It's just, tomatoes, cilantro, a bunch of things like that. Done, finished, over with. Very easy, hand food. Got a couple of others here that are made. Next hour, I'm going to be doing some grilled Mexican corn in a cup. Delicious. Thank you to Jewel for their help with our Dean's Cooking segments. Be back with more WGN Morning News coming up in just a couple of minutes.